Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most influential marketing books of our time, Purple Cow, by Seth Godin. If you're in the business world, you've probably heard about this concept, but what does it really mean to create a purple cow? Stick around as we break down the key takeaways and how you can apply them to transform your business. Seth Godin's Purple Cow is all about one thing: being remarkable. In a world full of ordinary products and services, how can your business stand out? Let's explore how you can turn your business into something extraordinary. Imagine driving past a field full of cows. They're all the same, black, white, brown. But then suddenly you see a purple cow. That's something you'd remember, right? That's the essence of Godin's concept. To stand out in today's crowded market, you need to create something so unique, so remarkable, that people can't help but notice. This isn't just about being different for the sake of it, it's about being noteworthy. Remarkability grabs attention and makes your product or service impossible to ignore. So ask yourself, what makes your business a purple cow in a field of ordinary cows? Let's face it, traditional marketing just isn't cutting it anymore. In an age of information overload, consumers are bombarded with ads, and most of them simply tune out. Godin argues that relying solely on traditional advertising is a losing game. Instead of pouring resources into ads, Godin suggests focusing on creating products that are inherently remarkable. When your product is remarkable, it markets itself through word of mouth, social sharing, and natural buzz. In other words, make something people want to talk about. Creating a purple cow isn't for the faint of heart. It requires risk-taking and a willingness to innovate. Godin encourages businesses to step away from the safety of conventional ideas and embrace creativity, even if it feels uncomfortable. This means pushing boundaries, trying new things, and not being afraid to fail. In fact, if you're not taking risks, you're probably not creating something remarkable. Remember, the safest path is often the riskiest in the long run because it leads to mediocrity. Think about companies that have truly changed the game. Apple with its iPhone, Tesla with electric cars, Airbnb with home sharing. These companies didn't play it safe. They took risks, and in doing so, they created purple cows. Not everyone will appreciate your purple cow, and that's okay. Godin emphasizes the importance of targeting the right audience, specifically niche markets and early adopters who are more likely to embrace and spread the word about your remarkable product. Instead of trying to please everyone, focus on the people who are most likely to become your brand advocates. These are the individuals who will help your product gain traction through word-of-mouth marketing, amplifying its reach far beyond what traditional ads could achieve. So, who are your early adopters? How can you find and engage with them? Once you've identified this group, tailor your product and messaging specifically to their needs and desires. This targeted approach is key to making your purple cow truly take off. Word of mouth is the holy grail of marketing, and according to Godin, it's what makes a purple cow successful. Remarkable products naturally encourage people to talk about them, creating a viral effect that traditional advertising simply can't replicate. Think about the last time you recommended a product or service to a friend. Why did you do it? Chances are it was because the product was so good or so different that you couldn't keep it to yourself. That's the power of word of mouth, and it's what you should aim for with your purple cow. If your product is remarkable, people will talk. And when they talk, they do your marketing for you. So, focus on creating something worth talking about, something that people want to share. Here's a truth that might be hard to swallow. If no one is criticizing your product, it's probably not remarkable enough. Godin points out that being remarkable often invites criticism, but that's a sign of success, not failure. In today's world, criticism is inevitable, especially if you're doing something bold and different. But don't let the fear of negative feedback hold you back. In fact, a lack of criticism might mean your product is too safe, too bland, and ultimately, too forgettable. So, embrace the critics. They're proof that you're on the right track. And remember, the goal isn't to please everyone, it's to be remarkable enough to make a real impact. Finally, once you've created your purple cow, the work doesn't stop there. Godin stresses the importance of continuous innovation. Remarkability is not a one-time achievement, it's an ongoing pursuit. If you rest on your laurels, you risk becoming yesterday's news. Markets change, customer expectations evolve, and what was remarkable today may be ordinary tomorrow. That's why you need to keep pushing, keep innovating, and keep looking for new ways to stand out. The companies that remain remarkable are the ones that never stop striving for excellence. They keep creating, keep evolving, and never settle for just being good enough. So there you have it, the key takeaways from Seth Godin's Purple Cow. If you want your business to stand out, you need to be remarkable. That means embracing innovation, targeting the right audience, leveraging word of mouth, and never being afraid of a little criticism. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, don't just blend in, be the purple cow in your field. Thanks for watching.
The content of this video is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be construed as professional advice. The views expressed in this video are those of the creators and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of author. The content and images used in this video are the property of their respective owners and are used here under the doctrine of fair use. Don't miss the other videos in this series for a deeper dive into insights from leading authors and entrepreneurs. In the meantime, feel free to share your comments and let us know what topics you'd like to explore to enhance your journey towards inspirational success. Join our community of visionaries by subscribing to our channel. Hit the like button if you found this video inspiring, and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest insights and strategies from top authors and entrepreneurs. Don't miss out on any of our valuable content. Subscribe now and fuel your journey to success.